How to change username on NinjaTrader. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your username on NinjaTrader application. First of all, open up NinjaTrader and sign in with your credentials. And after you're logged into the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the blue button. Once you do that, on the next page, scroll down and click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Profile. Once you do that, on the next page, click on Change Username under the Username tab and enter a new username you want to change to. On the next field, type in your current password and finally click Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your username on NinjaTrader. That is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.